Welcome, I'm Mike Borelli, and thank you for joining us on the beginning of a new series of episodes of Making It Metan. Watching the previous episodes, you've seen us start out with a series on the step-by-step fiberglass repair process to a 2016 Boston Whaler Outrage 420. We then led into our next series of the restoration and refit of the 1973 23 Seacraft. Those collections of episodes covered 2 out of the 3 services we provide here at Metan. The restoration and refit services and the fiberglass repair end of the business we've been doing for over 25 years. Then, back in 2015, we started our 3rd division of Metan, which is our boat building division. Coming out with our own boat line called Metan Classic Collections. We're going to take you through the step-by-step process of building not 1, but 2 semi-custom PELHAM Bay 21s. Now you ask, what's the difference between custom and semi-custom? Custom is one-off, where they build a boat from a jig where each hull could be tweaked, as so not every hull is the same. Where semi-custom boat building, we're starting out with a fiberglass component that are molded from a production mold. That can make numerous parts from those molds, with all the parts being exactly the same. But from there, everything's custom built. From the structural stringer system, custom pipe and woodwork, to the care and craftsmanship, finished assembly. And all that you'll see on this new series. Right now, we need to take a break. See you when we get back as we jump into our first episode of Now Building It Metan.
If you like this segment, click right here. If you like this segment and you want to watch the whole episode, click right here.